Benefits of digital data flow, or DDF. Biopharmaceutical companies believe in the value of research and development for medicines to improve patients' lives. To get drugs to patients, clinical studies are an important mechanism to test and ensure products are effective and safe for patients. The clinical trial information flow can be complicated with many steps and hands-offs. Although technology supports some of this process, there are still many operational activities that are manually executed, adding time, risk of errors, and additional oversight. Meet Mary, a medical writer that works at a pharmaceutical company. She is using a document to capture key details of the protocol and is working with others by passing edits back and forth. When working on more than one study, Mary may notice differences in terminology from one document to another, or a lack of reusable content. Once the protocol is final, the approved protocol is handed off. Don, a study manager at the same company, is responsible for getting the study started. Although there are technology solutions to support clinical studies, for many companies there are still a lot of manual steps. Don spends time identifying protocol information, determining translations, and entering information into a clinical trial management system. Tina, a data manager, also gets a copy of the protocol. Capturing and tracking data is critical for a study. For many companies, manual tasks are needed to set up the data capture. Tina reads, analyzes, and translates protocol content and enters what she needs into the clinical data management system. Some of the data that Don and Tina need from the protocol to set up a study are different to support specific activities and processes, while other data needed from the protocol is the same. Once Don and Tina are finished, they do a manual quality check to ensure that the data was entered correctly and matches the protocol. The Transcelerate Digital Data Flow Initiative, or DDF, is working to organize and automate the information in the protocol to facilitate automation from the start of the process and to drive efficiencies throughout the clinical trial information flow. Similar to how a GPS has not only replaced paper maps, but also provides new features such as electronic navigation, estimated travel times, and real-time updates. A digital protocol can reduce manual documentation and streamline data flow in clinical operations, adding innovative features. Imagine a study builder that is set up to digitize a protocol. Mary and her colleagues can use the system to edit content and leverage control lists for commonly used terms, even across studies. Once the protocol is finalized in a study builder, Mary could click a button and automatically send the protocol to be stored in the Study Definitions Repository, or SDR. The SDR houses data in a structured format, which could be easily shared with other systems. When Don or Tina start their work to set up a study, they can click a button and have the protocol data automatically sent from the SDR into their system, saving them from doing any manual data entry and manual quality checks. In the future, a button click can potentially send the protocol to a contract research organization or CRO partner where content can be automatically configured to execute the study, or have the protocol sent to a partner pharmaceutical company that is co-developing a product. With a CDIS-developed Unified Study Definitions model, or USDM, applied to study builders, and SDR and downstream systems, the data flow could be fully streamlined. With a growing landscape of clinical trial technology solutions, as more sponsor companies and vendor solutions can align to the USDM, the more interoperable the industry becomes, where data can be easily shared, content can be reused, integrations can be simplified across applications, and common data definitions can better support reporting and insights. Adopting DDF will require technology changes by vendor solutions and sponsor company technology staff. However, once DDF is adopted, many people working on clinical trials, like Mary, Don, Tina, and others, would greatly benefit. As stakeholders adopt DDF, sponsor companies and supporting vendor solutions benefit with more interoperability, increased efficiency for clinical trial operations, and innovation opportunities for the clinical trials ecosystem. All these changes can lead to getting medicines faster to patients and improve patients' lives. Want to learn more? Head to Transcelerate's website for details about DDF and the latest information.